Simple embossing. Embossers offer a fun and easy way to decorate cakes, cookies or cupcakes. Here we are covering a cookie. Smear your work surface and rolling pin with a little vegetable fat. Brush the top of your cookie with warmed apricot baking glaze. Knead your sugar paste and then roll out to 2 to 3 mm thick. Press your embosser fairly firmly across the centre of your paste, applying an even pressure. Don't press too hard or it will act as a cutter, nor so hard that the paste sticks to the mat. Using the same cookie cutter, cut out the sugar paste. Using a palette knife, lift the paste from your workboard and position it on top of your cookie. Smooth the paste very gently onto the top without damaging the embossing. You can add extra embellishment to the cookie top attached with edible glue.